Hello student, today we will start exercise 5.3, sum number 1 and 2. Find the sum of 2, 7, 12 up to 10 term. Formula to find Sn, sum of n term is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d, or n by 2 a plus an, where an is the last term. Part first, AP 2, 7, 12 up to 10 term. A2 D 7 minus 2 5 and 10 Sn. Write the formula. Here n is 10 by 2 A2 n 10 minus 1 D is 5. 2 2s are 4, 9 into 5, 4 plus 45. We have 5 into 49 and the answer is 245. Part second, AP minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 term. Here we will write directly A minus 3.7, 37, D minus 33 minus 37. We have 4 and n is 12. To find Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now putting 2 6 are 12, 6 into 12 minus 1 11, 11 4 ja 44. After multiplication we have minus 180 answer. Next is part third, A 0.6, D 1.7 minus 0.6 makes 1.1 and 100. Sn formula n by 2, 100 by 2, 2a 0.6 plus n minus 1, d is 1.1. Now solving. Adding. After multiplication we have 5505 is the answer. Now the next is part 4th. In this AP, A is 1 by 15, D is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Take LCM. We have 1 by 60. Formula to find Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Here n is 11. 11 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, d is 1 by 60. Solving. 2 by 50, 10 by 60, take LCM, 30, 15 2s are 2 2s are 4, 6 5s are 5 1s are 5. We have 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Answer is 33 by 20. Next is sum number 2. Find the sum of given below 7 plus 10 and 1 by 2, 14 plus up to 84. First we will find here n. A is 7, D is 21 by 2 minus 7. Take LCM. We have D is 7 by 2. An is 84. Write the formula of An. A plus n minus 1D, which we already discussed in exercise 5.2 in the previous videos. Now putting, solving, subtract 77, 7 by 2 comes to left hand side, 2 as numerator, 7 as denominator, cut. Here n is 23. Now we will write, apply formula of Sn. N by 2 A plus An, that is 23 by 2 A 7 An 84, 23 by 2 91. Multiply. After the multiplication and solving, we have this one is the answer. Now the next is part second. A 34, D 32 minus 34 minus 2, An is 10. Formula, here n is 13. Now we will find Sn. Apply formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, or we can put here n by 2 a plus an. By the both formulas we can solve it. 13 by 2, a is 34 and 13 minus 1, d is minus 2. Solving, after multiplication 68, 13 minus 1, 12, 12 2s are 24 of minus 68 minus 24. Multiply. Answer is 286. Now the next is part third. Here A is minus 5, D minus 8 minus minus 5. We have minus 3. An minus 230. Apply formula. Putting now solving, minus 5 comes to left hand side and minus 3 in division. Minus 2 to 5 by minus 3. Here n is 75 plus 1 makes 76. Now Sn, apply this one formula. 76 by 2, A is minus 5 plus An is minus 230. Now multiply. After multiplication we have minus 8930 is the answer. Thank you. Keep smiling everyone.